Welcome to the introduction video of Chasing Waterlinked DVL A50 kit. With this kit, the auxiliary ROV can withstand the influence of water flow and external forces within a certain range, even if it's not being operated by a remote control. ROV hovering position remains unchanged while improving the static resistance to flow. If an external force pushes the ROV out of its original position, the ROV will automatically and slowly adjust back to its original position, fully guaranteeing the stability of underwater operations. This also ensures the improved lateral resistance to flow during movement and avoid sudden position shifts. It also enables ROV to navigate at a fixed height from water bottom, not only guarantees the accuracy of navigation direction, but also can improve the precision of entire operation, making ROV underwater shooting clear and also gives a stable operation. This kit can be used for ecological studies, inspection for ship anchors, underwater emergency rescue operations, offshore oil and gas pipelines, offshore wind power projects, and for many other industrial underwater inspection needs. This kit optimally works without compromising operators' professional requirements and greatly improves the efficiency and precision of the entire operation. This kit is a custom one, especially designed for the Chasing M2 series. The Waterlinked DVL A50 is the world's smallest commercially available Doppler velocimeter to date. It uses the Doppler shift between the emitted sound waves and the received underwater reflected waves. That is, the wavelength of the sound waves reflected by the water bottom received by the ROV changes because of relative motion of the ROV. Also, the height is calculated relative to the bottom of the water based on acoustics transmission time and speed of sound. ROV also has an inertial IMU sensor powered by a Chasing self-research flight control algorithm. With this, you can achieve the ROV's anti-current and terrain position perfectly. The Chasing Waterlinked DVL A50 kit has many other excellent features, including high-performance ultra-small quad beam setup, integrated AHRS IMU assistance, open interface protocols, and all these features in a very budget-friendly price.